What's good, y'all? I'm about to show you guys another tutorial video on how to emphasize on the trigger control. First off, line up your sights. What you're going to do is count to 5. At 3, you're going to probably hit the wall, which is a resistance. 1, 2, 3. And at 5, you're going to pull the trigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At reset, you're going to feel a tactile feedback. You don't want to let go of your finger off the trigger when you do this. When you're ready to shoot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.